size of this area, which is massive, is cut by a Husqvarna robot. I never mow this field at all. Never. It is just cut by our friend the robot. Now here we are at the other end of the spectrum from the one that I've already showed you. This is a Husqvarna again. And look at him, a very small lawn. Let me just show you how small the lawn is. He's coming up. There, he'll turn. How small's the lawn? Look. So there's nothing wrong with having a small lawn and a robot mower. Keeps it green, keeps it cut. You don't have to worry about it. It'll come out at night, it'll come out in the day, and it'll keep it looking trim for you. We're running this lawn a little bit higher than normal because it's got a few patches in it where we've got some wear from children using it, but we'll be overseeding those in the coming months. So there you are. There's your Husqvarna. He's a lovely little fella. Off he goes again. Change the blades in the winter, that's all you have to do.